I make sure that the doctor plays by the rules that are set forth by the court and that both parties, the client and the doctor, is not being aggressive, not being aggressive, demeaning, asking liability questions, playing into them following the rules of what the court requested and implemented. Before the examination, I read what is allowed and not allowed during the examination. The client only has to bring their ID. A lot of times they are not allowed to do scans, and they do allow observationalists, such as myself or another independent observer, to attend the medical examination. This rule book tells the doctor what they can and cannot do. One of the things that sometimes happens when no one is present during the medical examination, the doctor tries to pull a fast one, tries to either collect blood or do a scan or even get a list of medicine from the client. They do not need to do that. Another example is that a doctor might request that the patient go ahead and go to a another scan, or they fill out a form for their office even though in the rule book it states specifically that the client does not need to sign out any paperwork when they are at the medical examination office. The one thing that is very important to articulate to the client or just inform them of is that once you hit the parking lot, you are being observed every second, every minute until the end of the examination. Once you are in your car and leaving the parking lot, you are being observed. I can tell you countless times where I have seen cameras in the lobby. The doctors are watching your every move to see if you're faking your injury. So if you are saying that you hurt your knees, but for some reason you're skipping around outside of the office, that is a problem. You need to be honest when it comes to your injuries. Another thing when it comes to observations, if you say that your right leg is hurting, the doctor moves your right leg, it extremely hurts, but you internalize it and you don't articulate or speak up about the pain, specifically when it comes to audio recordings, you need to vocalize that and tell them, did it radiate or travel anywhere? Did it stay in one spot? Vocalizing that will help you out a lot. During the medical examination, it is not the best idea to internalize your pain. You want to let everyone know how painful the injury was to your body.